Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area of a parallelogram worksheets. So this video presents a few slides where we can practice doing some exercises on finding the area of a parallelogram. If you're not sure what to do, there is a lesson on this very topic. When you get to the last slide, there is a link, and if you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Now, very basically, find the area of each of the following parallelograms. During the lesson, we gave the very simple formula that the area of a parallelogram was the product of the base times the perpendicular height. That's basically all it was. So the base of the parallelogram was multiplied by the perpendicular height. So if you see example 1 over here, you see that the base of this parallelogram is 9 centimeters and the perpendicular height is 5 centimeters. There's the little symbol there which tells us that is 90 degrees. So the perpendicular height means the distance between the two parallel sides. If we go to example 2, we see here we have the base and we have the perpendicular height. Over here, 7 centimeters represents the length of the side. We do not use that measurement, so be very careful. That's just a little hint for you. Here's another one here, so you have to look at that very carefully. So we have the base, perpendicular height, length of the side. This is quite straightforward here with those two measurements. That is very straightforward. Base, perpendicular height. The same here. Over here, I have a base of b centimeters and a height of h centimeters. So I want you to use that information to write down a formula which will give you the area of this parallelogram using those two bits of information. And finally, here is a very interesting question. It's quite advanced and it will require some very interesting thinking. The base of a parallelogram is 50% longer than its perpendicular height. If the area is 96 square centimeters, find the length of the base and perpendicular height. A very wonderful problem, this one. It's quite challenging, and I would advise that we sketch a diagram and use that diagram to try and put some information on the diagram which will actually help you to solve this example. So this video has given us a few slides and we are dealing with the area of a parallelogram. There is a lesson on this very topic, so the next slide has a link. If you're not sure what to do, just click on the link and that will take you to the lesson, and the lesson will explain how to do all the examples.